Hello and welcome to S Yamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, South Central PA's premier boat dealership. I'm Andy. I'm the guy that sells most of the fishing boats and the go-to guy with technical questions as well. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of a trade-in boat that we just got. It's a 2002 Alumacraft. It has a painted trailer. It's the same year as what the boat is. And the motor is a 2023 Mercury 60 horsepower that has 3 hours on it. It's basically brand new, less than a year old, and has factory warranty till December of 2026. Of course, a 16-foot side console bass boat, aluminum. Has a power pole micro anchor on it, so it's an electric anchor. See, it goes all the way up. It's electric, that goes back down. Lowrance Hook 7-inch fish finder, and a Minn Kota Fortrex 80-pound 24-volt trolling motor on the bow. With a trade-in boat like this, we completely service it, boat, motor, and trailer. Even the fluids are done with the motor, even though it has low hours on it. And we check everything with bearings and hubs, and just like, for instance, the tires were questionable, so we put new tire and rims on the trailer. Go through all the accessories of the boat to make sure everything is ready to go and comes with a 30-day warranty. We go through things, like I said, very thoroughly. If you check our Google reviews out and our Facebook reviews, you'll see that we have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We're privately owned. My dad's the owner. My grandfather started things in the late 40s. I've been here 30 years myself, but we're all about service. And when we go to a boat like this, whether it be new or used, we go through them very thoroughly to make sure they're as trouble-free as possible. And if you check our, like I said, our Google reviews out, you'll see what I mean with our reputation. People from all over the nation buy boats from us. Like I said, it's a 2023 Merc 60 horsepower, 3 hours on it. See the model number there. Boat's in nice shape. You can see that it was used in freshwater throughout its life. Bear with me here as I try to jump on the boat and hold the camera. We did not clean it. I apologize, it is a little dirty, but this is just how we traded it. A good example of how well it's taken care of. You can see the Lowrance fish finder. Minn Kota Fortrex up front. Storages. This is actually the aerated live well. More storage up front. Very nice shape for a 2002. There's rod storage. It's pretty deep rod storage. Storage underneath each seat, drivers and passengers side. Aerated live well. I was wrong. The storage up front was just storage. This is the aerated live well. My bad. 4 people max as far as capacity. 90 horsepower max. Onboard battery charger, which is back here with the batteries and the fuel tank. It is dirty back here. Onboard charger though, as you see. Boat and trailer will have a 30-day warranty, and the motor has a factory warranty till December of 2026, so quite a while yet. If you check out our website, fsyamaha.com, of course you might be also watching this on our YouTube channel as well. Check out our many other used boats and new boats. We sell express, bass, and center console bay boats, Smokercraft V-bottoms, and also Beddington pontoons. We're looking at some of our used product here right now. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like and subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. And like I said, check us out: Facebook, Google, Instagram. Hopefully we're going to be doing a TikTok here shortly. But thanks again for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions.